Hey y'all, the Untitled Ranger here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm doing a sound video of all my beast batteries, Zudenchi Chargers, whatever you want to call them. I don't have all of them, but I do have a lot, and I really want to do this. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it with Gabatira. By the way, these batteries are 6.5 meters wide and roughly 1 meter tall. I know I said it in my review of the Morpher, but I wanted to repeat it again just in case and someone missed it. Anyways, let me turn on my Gabber revolver here. And let's do the sound. Brave in. Oh, yeah, by the way, this is the glittery side. Or not glittery. Glow on the dark side. Glittery. Brave in. I'm not going to do two at a time like Dawson Rider does, because I want to waste your time and my time. But maybe in a later video, I could do combinations if someone wants to see that. That was Gabatira. You know, that was not just Gabatira. I'm also doing it in kyoryuger. So let me get kyoryuger out. And let me turn them on. Let's hear what he has to say for kyoryuger. Now that is it for Gabatira. Now on to the number 3, Stagochi. Here is your glittery side, brave in. There. Here is your glow in the dark side, brave in. There is your glittery side. Yeah. Gabber revolver. Let's hear what he sounds like. I feel bad for the editor. I keep forgetting that I'm doing kyoryuger as well. I forget kyoryuger makes sound, as I'm American, and the American version of these toys don't make sound except for the Morpher. Now that is it for number 3. And now we're on to number 4, Zactor. You got your glow on the dark side, brave in. There's your glittery side. Let's bring out Gabber revolver and hear what he sounds like. Ooh, almost fell off the desk. Alright. Now get kyoryuger over here. Now on to number 5. The Pink Ranger. Oh, uh-oh, stinky. No, Dicera, number 5. There's your glow in the dark side, brave in. There's your glittery side. Now let's hear what this one sounds like in kyoryuger. Oh, by the way, I need everyone who's watching this right now to subscribe because YouTube keeps putting ads in my videos and I don't get paid for it and it's crap. So if you could help me reach the mark to become part of the YouTube partner program, that would be awesome. And I thank you. Now on to number 6. He says it. Yeah, let's hear how it's pronounced. There's your glow in the dark side, your glitter side. What do you mean, mister? Why do you keep shooting it out, huh? Making me look like a fool. What do with that? Something like that. Now, in kyoryuger. And now on to number 7, my special charger. Because if you saw my other video, I think it was in the other video, this is a dead version. Like, if you watch kyoryuger, then you know that's the dead version. And then, so you got your glow in the dark. Can't show you the glitter, but I can show you the dead. Alright. Grab a revolver. If you do have this version, it still reads the same. Like, it's no difference. Sorry, I was cracking my neck. I don't know if you heard it. Now we need to do it in kyoryuger. I'm doing both, even though they read the same exact way. Because, like I said, I like to waste your time and my own time. Now on to Bumpaki, number 8 for the Graphite Ranger, if I'm not mistaken. There is your glow in the dark side and your glitter side. Let's see what he sounds like. By the way, I forgot to mention in my review of this that you have to push this down to open the mouth. You can, but it really doesn't sound good. I'm just gonna do it like this so you can hear it. That doesn't sound good, so I'm not doing it that way. Now on with here. We're done with number 8. Now on to number 9. There's your glow in the dark side. There's your glittery side. Now on to kyoryuger. Sorry, I just hit my microphone stand there. Forgot to put the battery away. if I let the music that the Gabba Revolver plays long enough that I can get copyright claimed. I don't think so, right? I mean, I get copyright claimed with almost every single Luke Combs video. Anyways, here is the glow-in-the-dark side and the glitter side. Like, seriously, every video I do in Luke Combs gets copyrighted. This team does not play. Now on to kyoryuger. Oh, that's fitting. We were 10 minutes in, and I was doing number 10. Okay. Now on to ones that you can't morph as in the show. I can do combinations later on. Not in this video, but like a sequel or something. Even if you guys don't want to see that, I'm still going to do it. Anyways, number 14, there is your glow-in-the-dark, and there is your glitter. Now, in kyoryuger. Okay. Now on to number 17, aka the farting one. You got your glow-in-the-dark and your glitter. Dang it, dude. Now in kyoryuger. Now number 18. In Dino Charge, I believe this was like a Valentine's one, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, here's your glow-in-the-dark. Glow-in-the-dark. Glittery. Okay. Now in kyoryuger. Now number 22, the punk. I'm calling it punk. There's your glow-in-the-dark and your glittery. Okay, now on to close. Now on to kyoryuger. Okay. Now into the last Guardian Zudenchi. 23. Futaban. So you got your glow in the dark and your glittery. And now in kyoryuger. And onto an interesting charger, I believe, as you can't morphize it. 1 plus. Gabatira. So there's your glow in the dark and your glittery. Come on now. If you try to shoot while this charger is in either one of the slots, it gives you the error message that I was talking about. But what about in kyoryuger? Let's see. Okay. Now onto the Sentai Chargers, which are different for each thing. Because all of them say Super Sentai in the Morpher, but they say their actual show names in kyoryuger. So here you got Sun Vulcan, there's your glow in the dark, and there's glittery. Okay, now Sun Vulcan in kyoryuger. See what I mean? Now on to the next one I have, Zoo Ranger, aka Mighty Morphin. There's your glow in the dark and your glittery. Okay. Now kyoryuger. Now on to my last charger for now. Ghost Ranger. So there is your glow in the dark side and your glittery side. Hold on, it's not focused. There we go. Now on to kyoryuger. And alright, that will wrap it up. Hey, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. Like I said earlier, please comment, like, and subscribe. Share if you want to. Embarrass me, please. Go make me look like an idiot in the comments. Seriously, do something. Something.